we have a broad range of expertise here on the panel. So I wanted to kind of draw all of us back into the topic, which is investing or the Indian smart protein sector in general. Now, I know, Sanjay, you mentioned 100 companies in your member roles. There has been, I think, clearly, and Shakahari, which Anoop represents, is a clear example, a proliferation or growth, maybe bucking, global trends of the explosion of the smart protein space in India. And I think that's a credit to a lot of the organizations and a lot of people working very hard to get us there. So just so that the other panel members, maybe who are not from India, get a flavor of what's going on here, maybe Sanjay, you could sort of expand a little bit, and if you have any data to share on, what do you see in terms of growth of membership roles? What are your companies saying about the space? And I know that there's a lot of doom and gloom out there, proliferated by people like Bloomberg and Forbes. But despite that, I happen to think, and I want all of you guys to opine, that there is a lot of opportunity in India. And Sanjay, if you can give us some idea of what that may be, and then of course Anoop, Chandru, all of you jump in. That's not a problem. So Sanjay, why don't we start with you? What are you seeing on the ground?